this celebration will not be complete without your special guests, okay?
Yes.
And we want this to have a good remembrance by asking each of the table, each of the guests in the table, ayan, hindi yung table yung lalapit, okay? To come center stage and join Ate Tonette for a picture and one representative to give a message. Okay? Okay, sige. Before we go to the first table, may we ask to the immediate family of Ate Tonette
For taking pictures.
for a photo of... Siyempre, di ko memorize yung immediate family. Uy!
Oo, lahat sila immediate.
Yung immediate family, umamin na kayo.
Ayan, may brother, sister, mother, pamangkin. Lahat sila, pero sila lahat, no?
Basta lang immediate. Ate Tonette, how do you feel? Ikaw na yung next mayor ang Pasakaw.
Wow!
Diba? Grabe naman, mamimigay siya ng lobby dun sa ano, sabi ni DJ kanina. Ano po ba qualification Ate Tonette para mabigyan ng lote? Ay, Ate Tonette naman.
Ano? Eh, wala ka pa i-photo sa'yo eh. Pwede ka na.
Ang bongga. Sige, do we call on the
Ayan,
family
nandito na.
of Ate Tonette for
Ayan,
a
ang
quick
dami.
photo op?
Ayan na, nakita mo ba? Nakita ko, Mars.
Oo, nakikita may mga lalaki.
Kaya,
Grabe naman, Ate Tonette, paano po maging part ng immediate family mo?
Kailangan ligawan. Ayan yung anak niya, no? Ate Tonette. Ayan, no? Di ba pa nakita ang pogi?
Yes. Oh, come on, guys.
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Okay. Dahil tayo yung surprise guest host for tonight, mukhang ako rin yung surprise photographer for tonight. Wala ba? O, mukhang ako talaga ang surprise photographer. Here. One. Muna ha.
Ayan. Okay. And then, ano daw?
Ang ganda tingnan, pare-pares sila ng kulay ng damit.
Ayan. Wow. Ayan, sana. Ayan yung mga boys.
Ang galing naman ng pamilya ni Ate Tonette, maraming lalaki.
Kaya nga eh. Pero ako makabinaw na nila.
Okay.
Ayan. Ayan din. Ayan. Napagod na yung photographer.
Okay, sige.
Ayan. 1, 2, smile. And
Eyes on the center,
smile.
please.
Smile. 1 to smile. 1 to smile. Smile. Okay.
Okay, thank you
Thanks
so much. Of course, we would like to request the brothers and sisters of Ate Tonette to remain on stage. Thank
Brother,
you.
sister. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, thank you boys and girls.
Here.
Okay, come closer pa ata, Mars. Okay, sorry.
1, 2. And then one more close-up.
Close up. Ayan. Wakil, smile.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Ay,
thank
teka
you.
lang, wala bang one representative from the family to give an immediate message lang?
Oh, wala, ayaw nila. Ay, ikaw. Ama uncles. Okay.
Hindi ba kayo message ka muna. Ay, mamaya na daw siya. Okay. So,
Okay.
now we will call on the uncles and
Okay, uncles and aunties.
okay. The titas,
Okay.
the titos, and
Okay, Papa JB.
ayan, may attendance checking na tayo.
Ito ka Papa Dunbar. Tita Marie. Your first your family. Great. Marites family.
Oh, the titas and titos.
Papa Dunbar. Mga JB.
Umuulan pa nga.
Parang hindi naman na-surprise sa kanyang damit for today. Parang prepared na prepared. Sabi niya mga, ikaw yung sing-sing. Diyos ko naman, napaghandaan naman pala.
Hindi niya alam.
Hindi pa niya yan alam, ha?
Alam na kasi Eagles party siya pupunta. Yung ginagawa niya.
Diyos ko, children's party, ganyan yung akar. Paano na lang?
Eagles party niya supposed to be.
Ah,
Eagles na.
okay.
Opo na. Ito ba hindi? Opo din bar, Mama Mini.
And then we will ask the representative to give a special message, of course.
Wala na?
The Rose. Come here. The Rose. Narinig si The Rose ka. The Rose.
Okay, eyes on the center first.
What's hi? Say cheese.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Alright.
Akin, sa akin again.
Yun din, dito doon.
Then one close up.
Hindi na, ha? Sama na ako, Ron.
1, 2.
Rio, Edwin. Edwin, Rio, Tita Ami. Ate Ami. Kabir, Bobby.
Thank you so much. Ang yan pa.
Wait
Okay,
lang.
habol pa kami, habol.
Ihabol pa.
Hawakan mo. Nakabigay yan. Alright.
Bobby. Kabir. O, go up. Go up. Go up, go up. Tita Ami. Igor, Broom. Broom, Igor. Asan ka, Igor? Igor. Oy, Igor, up to the stage. Okay na. Akyat. Iyo kayo naman dalawa sa amin, ready ko na.
Pag big picture to, pipindot mo yung mali.
Tapos yung dalawa. Okay. Sige na. Ito na nga eh. Go. May kasama kayo. Oo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Oh. O ba't kasama ka, Amboy? Ang daya mo. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay. Ano, iyo.
Closer.
Waki daw, waki.
Yes.